Here we go. We have a hex half-inch nut with Cardinal's tool, 4080. Just go ahead and thread the fastener on the stud a little bit and then press it. The air motor makes it go into the tool, fully gets it onto the mandrel. Go ahead and put it into the application, pull the trigger. It upsets the fastener and turns counterclockwise. So we're using a hex fastener, as I said, in a hex hole. So again, just a little half turn, push it, it automatically threads on. Put it into the hole. And it fully installs, turns out. Bingo. Less than 1 minute, probably 30 seconds to do both, maybe even 20 seconds. Cardinal Components.